it's maths time again, and our number of the week this week is number 13. Number 13. And you write 13 with a 1 and then a 3. Don't write it the other way round because it will be 31. And it's not the number of the week. The number of the week is 13. So a 1 and a 3. Shall we count to 13? Let's go. Hands up high, hands down low, hands in the middle, get ready to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Well done. Should we have a look where number 13 is on our number line? Let's count from 0 and get to number 13, shall we? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And again, mums and dads, with these numbers, some children can order numbers to 10 and then they really struggle after 10. So it really is worth putting the numbers on little bits of paper and getting children to order them so that they're in the right order and really think about, is that right? Is that the right number? And actually putting objects next to the numbers so that they can see that it's getting bigger, the number's getting bigger. So we found number 13. There's number 13 there. A 1 and a 3. We're going to use this number line a little bit later on to do our adding and our subtracting. So we've got number 13. Let's have a look where number 13 is on our 100 square. So shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, we have to go all the way back down to here. 11, 12, 13. There's number 13 on the 100 square. Okay, let's have a look what number 13 looks like with Numicon. So one way, remember there's lots of ways of making 13, but one way is with a 10 and a 3. A 10 and a 3, when they go together, they make 13. Let's just check I'm right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We've got 13, but there are different ways you can make 13. So I've got my tower here of 13. I wonder if you can split it. Find out a different way. I'm going to split it like this. So shall we see how I've split it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 add 6, if we put them together, they make 13. Or should we try and split it a different way? Why don't we split it like this? So let's see it this way. We're going to do it this. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, add 1, 2, 3, 4. 9, add 4. When we put them together, makes 13. Wonder if you can find some different ways to make 13. We're actually going to do some addition now, and we're going to use the number line to do it. Really, really grown up doing the number line. So it's all to do with number 13. So we're going to do 8, add 5 equals. 8 add 5 equals. So we're going to do this on our number line. So what we do is we put a circle around 8, and then we're going to do 5 bunny hops because our number sentence was 8 add 5. So we're going to do bunny hops, but because it's adding, we have to go this way because the numbers get bigger this way. So when we're doing adding, we always do our bunny hops this way. So let's do 5 bunny hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we get to number 13. So we know that 8 add 5 because we did 5 bunny hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This gets to 13. So 8 add 5 is 13. Now you can draw your own number lines at home to help you with that adding. And it really is a tricky skill to add on a number line, but if you practice more and more and more, the better and better you become. I'm just going to do one more with you. Why don't we do 10 add 3 equals 10 add 3. So let's go. So we put a circle around 10 and we have to do 3 bunny hops this time. And remember, we have to go this way because the numbers get bigger this way. So we have to do 3 bunny hops this way. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. And it gets to number 13. So we know that 10 add 3 equals 13. Well, that was a bit of a squiggly 13, wasn't it? There we go. Now you can also do taking away on a number line. And do taking away. I wonder, could you think how we do taking away on a number line? I'm going to do 13 take away 4 equals 13 take away 4. So let's have a look. It's taking away, remember. So we've got 13 and we need to take away. Now adding, if we do adding, we go this way because the numbers get bigger. But taking away, we go this way because the numbers need to get smaller. And when we take away, our numbers get smaller. So we've got 13 take away 4. So let's do 4 bunny hops. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we get to number 9. So 13 take away 4 is 9. If it was tricky doing that on a number line, you can use objects. I've got my cubes here, so I've got my 13 and I'm going to take away 4. So we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we count to see how many we've got left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We get to the same answer, but it's just a different way of doing it, and that's okay. You can choose whether you do adding or subtracting, either on a number line or with objects. Both are absolutely fine. So I want you to have a real good go investigating number 13. Have fun. Bye.